Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. It's Sunday Funday and I'm back with a brand new video, and there's been a trend lately where a lot of brands have been making like ultra lightweight category mouse, and MSI also hopped on the same board and came up with this brand new ultra lightweight mouse, that too at a very affordable price tag guys. Model is Clutch GM41, and as you can see it's like a super lightweight mouse that weighs only around 65 grams, and this is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. It's also quite affordable, comes in your budget. And talking about the main highlights, at the back side of the box you've got some of its features and specifications mentioned, and comes with a new PMW3389 optical sensor, has like Omron switches on board, and there's also an upgraded low friction cable which can be like super useful while gaming. So that's it, these were some of its main highlights, and without wasting any more time, let me quickly grab my knife, tear this packaging and check out what do we have on the inside. So as soon as you open it, we've got our mouse nicely packed over here, and looks like there's also some paperwork. Not sure who's gonna read this when you've got me in this video explaining everything. And that is it guys, so let me give you a closer look at the product and talk about the design and the build quality. Okay, initial impressions, mouse looks decently big sized, and boy, this is actually lightweight guys. So let me give you a closer look and talk about the design. It's got an ergonomic design and looks like ambidextrous. You can use it with both the hands. You got the MSI Dragon logo over here, that is RGB backlit, and build quality also looks pretty good. Mouse is entirely made of like a polycarbonate material in a matte finishing. You've got your regular left and right click buttons with Omron switches on board. There's a scroll wheel at the center that's also clickable. To the left side you got two buttons over here, forward and back, and also look at this diamond pattern anti-slip grip. This is actually very nice, gives you that nice and comfortable grip while gaming. And going to the back side, here you've got some PTFE mouse feet, good quality, and you've got the MSI Dragon logo. At the center you've got that optical sensor and a DPI switch button to the side, and you can change the DPI on this thing from 400 to all the way up to 16,000. And this one is your new and upgraded frictionless cable guys, with a gold plated USB port at the end. So that's it, our complete overview. What I'll do is I'll quickly connect this thing to my PC, and then we'll talk about the comfort and performance of the mouse. So this is how the GM41 looks like, and let me tell you, I've been using it for the last few days and the mouse just glides on the surface. Now come on, it's only 65 grams, right? It's like super lightweight and can make a big difference for gamers. It's got an ergonomic design and feels quite comfortable in the hand, and it's suitable for both palm and claw grip style players. Now talking about the buttons, it's got a total of 6 buttons. You've got your regular left and right click, scroll wheel is there, 2 side buttons, and a DPI button on the bottom. Quality of these buttons is also good, and the left and right clicks actually feature Omron switches on board that offer up to 60 million click lifespan. Though one thing I felt MSI could have done better was move the DPI switch from the bottom of the mouse to the top position. That way it would have been like much more convenient while using. And talking about the RGB lighting, yes, the mouse does feature RGB lighting, and it's got like a beautiful RGB backlit dragon logo on the front, and is fully customizable on the go. You don't even need like an extra software. You can adjust the brightness, speed, color, and even effects using a combination of DPI and the other buttons present on the mouse. Alright guys, now comes the important stuff. How is the performance of this particular model? MSI's Clutch GM41 features a PMW3389 optical sensor that supports DPI adjustment from 400 to all the way up to 16,000, and was actually doing like a pretty good job for the price point. The sensor was precise and accurately tracking my movements while I was playing games, and best part is, even after playing for like quite a bit of longer durations, I didn't feel any sort of tiredness or fatigue in my hand, because it's got like a super lightweight design, right? So that can be like a major plus point for esport and pro gamers out there. See, on the overall, mouse offered a good and comfortable experience while using. You'll be quite happy with the results. And did I mention that it's also NVIDIA Reflex Latency Analyzer compatible? Now, in case if you don't know what that is, you'll have to check out my reference video in the card above, guys. It's a very interesting technology. Do watch that video. So that is it for today, our quick review on MSI's newest super lightweight gaming mouse. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to know everything about it. And talking about the price, this thing costs around 2,399 rupees. Links will be in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. Make sure to smash that like button on this video and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.